Hi guys, today we're going to be doing this question, which is the first question in exercise 11A. It is find the amount of money and the compound interest on rupees 2500 for 2 years and at 10% per annum. So if you guys haven't checked yet my formula video, please check it out as it will make it more easier for you. So in this video, we know that 2500 is our principal, 2 years is our time, and 10% per annum is our rate. Now the formula we had learned was amount equals to P into T into R by 100. Okay, so over here we need to find the compound interest. Okay, so to find, now we need to find the compound interest, we also have to find out the amount. So let's start. Okay, so amount equals to P, which is our principal, which is 2500, into T, which is time, which is 2 years, into R. R is what? R is nothing but our 10% per annum, right? So now what we need to do here is time we can't take 2 because we need to start, we need to do it annually. So our time is first is our 1 year, and our is 10 by 100 because it is 10%. 10% is nothing but 10 by 100. Now we can reduce. So our uh, our amount is rupees 250. This is the increase in the money. So our amount to pay would be, the formula is P, which is principal, plus amount, which is 2500 plus 250, which is nothing but 2750. Now the second year, now our principal or our amount over here would become our principal for our second year. So our principal for the first year was 2500. Now this won't be the principal, but our amount for the first thing would become our principal. So it will be principal, which is 2750. We would repeat this formula again, this one. Okay, so P into T, now we're doing for the second year, but it is 1 year we're taking, into time, into rate by 100, which is nothing but 275. Now rupees 275. Now our amount is 2750 plus 275, which is nothing but 3025. Now our compound interest is nothing but principal, our first principal minus our last amount, or the other way around. So it is 32 minus 2500, which is nothing but 525 rupees. That's all for today. This is question number 1. See you in question number 2. Bye.